Welcome to 1033 Training Video Series. These videos will help familiarize you with the features and interface of the software and give you a tour of how to use 1033. 1033 is a powerful tool for frontline responders. It is a tactical, pre-planning web-based software. The advantage of 1033 is in its flexibility. Whether you are a firefighter, law enforcement officer, school administrator, city planner, or business owner, 1033 becomes the only tool you need to identify and manage critical resources and infrastructure, prepare for natural disasters and emergency incidents, and respond with confidence. 1033 grows with the needs of any client, allows workload sharing amongst employees, and collaborative response in multi-agency incidents. If the safety and security of your community, city, or business is most important, then 1033 is the software you need. .1033 can be viewed in several different browsers. It is designed to be viewed in Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. Can also be viewed in Safari and Firefox. When viewing 1033 in Internet Explorer, you must make sure you have IE8 or higher. To see which version you are currently using, select Help. If you do not have IE8 or higher, you will need to download the correct version. Once you have the correct version, select Tools and open Compatibility View Settings. Make sure the last two boxes are unchecked, thereby making 1033 viewable in both Internet and Intranet. This is the 1033 logon page. To log on, simply enter your username and password as assigned by your system administrator. If you have forgotten your password, click here and enter your username, email, and click Reset. A new temporary password will be sent to you. If this is the first time you've logged on, please be sure to visit your Edit Profile in the upper right-hand corner. Here you can change your password. 1033 suggests you use letters, numbers, and characters to generate a strong password. You can also view your email, full name, and description. Default settings are used to create a standard view of Windows each time you log on. Then click OK. Let's get familiar with the 1033 category page. In the lower left corner, you can view which version of 1033 you are currently using. In the lower right corner, you can view your username. In the upper right corner, let's click on Edit Profile. Here you can view or change your email, full name, description, and password. Default settings are used to create a standard view of the windows each time you log on. The help file will connect you to a PDF file of the 1033 user guide. Feel free to print or save this guide for future use. The category page is divided into two sections. On the left-hand side, the category browser, and on the right-hand side, the category window. You can change the view by collapsing the category browser or using the Show Hide Category Browser button on the far right. You can navigate the category page by clicking on the boxes in the category window or using the links in the category browser. At any time in 1033, you can use the breadcrumb trail to quickly navigate around 1033. You can view some building information in the category page. This includes the name of the building, the address, phone number, and cross streets of the building. If you click on the Show Contacts icon, you can view the name and contact information of people associated with that building. In the upper right-hand corner, you can toggle between night mode and day mode. 1033 will remember which mode you were in when you log off. To log off, simply use the Log Off link in the upper right-hand corner. Ten33 has both a basic and advanced search function in the upper left-hand corner. For a basic search, simply type in a keyword. For example, if I were looking for Hotel California on Beverly Hills Boulevard, but couldn't remember the name of the hotel, I could simply type in part of the name or part of the address, or I could even search by part of the phone number. The advanced search allows a user to narrow their search by adding information into one or more fields. Again, using Hotel California as the example, I can add part of its name, the city, and a known cross street. Using advanced search is a quick and easy way to find information that has been added to your 1033 database. Let's get familiar with the 1033 building page. At the top of the page, you see the name of the building you are currently viewing. You can also see the address and phone number of that building. The building page is divided into 6 sections: the index and sub-index on the left, the thumbnails along the bottom, and in the main area, an image, sub-image, and notepad. You can change the view of your page by collapsing boxes, using the Show Hide buttons, or by dragging frames up and down, and left and right. Each building has a default main image and sub-image. These images change as you choose different tabs underneath the index. To open an image in full screen, simply right-click the image and click Open. This will open the image in a new tab. Some images may have information associated with that image. You can view this information in the notepad. If the notepad is closed, you can open it using the Show Hide button or using the information icon, which will be orange if it has information with the image. One of the features of 1033 is that you can create hotspots within an image. These hotspots then link to additional information. All hotspots work on a single click, and some hotspots work on a double click. For instance, when I single click Parent Pickup, you can see that the sub-image changes. Likewise, when I single click on Evacuation Site, you can see again that the sub-image changes. However, if I double click on Evacuation Site, you can see that a new tab has opened with additional information about the evacuation site. You'll also notice that there are new tabs under the index, as well as new information under the correlating sub-index. Along the bottom of the page are thumbnails. These will be in alphabetical order. When you select a thumbnail, it highlights the correlating hotspot within the image. However, not all thumbnails have hotspots. Hotspots are useful when organizing information for buildings that have multiple floors, units, or wings. They can also be used to create virtual walkthroughs for buildings or sections of buildings. come to the sub-index of the building you're viewing, you may notice links to various documents and external URLs. Single-click to open these links. Note that to open certain file types, it has to be supported by your computer. For instance, if you want to open a PDF file, then you need some type of PDF reader installed on your computer or mobile device. You can also open such things as Word documents and Excel spreadsheets, as well as it works with Google Docs and Forms. Likewise, you can open up external URLs, such as a local weather channel or a local news channel.